Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare sorrel glazed rack of lamb. Here we go. I've already washed the lamb with some lemon. Now I'm going to season the lamb with some of my homemade marinade. Ingredients for the marinade will be provided in the video description. However, you can use your own spices. Now I'll add some butter to my cast iron skillet. Guys, you want to ensure that when you're cooking the lamb to do it on a medium heat. I'll add some rosemary and garlic for extra flavor. Now guys, remember, if you don't have a skillet, you can use a regular frying pan. Now the main reason I recommend cooking the lamb on a medium heat is to ensure that it remains tender. Now guys, you want to ensure that you cook the lamb for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side evenly. Now I'm going to make the sorrel glaze. I'm using 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of Appleton Jamaican rum, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 3 tablespoons of sorrel chutney. I'm going to let it reduce on a low heat, then pour the glaze over the lamb. And there you have it guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below.